What's going on, everybody? Kweku here, back with another video. Today I wanted to do a quick video showing you guys about progressive web apps, or PWAs for short. Progressive web app, in a nutshell, for those of you uninitiated, is basically an application that is web-based, like youtube.com, and it allows you to download that website to your computer and run it like an application. You won't get all the extra mumbo jumbo that's kind of up here where the address bar is or anything like that. It'll have its own dedicated interface. You won't see all the extra stuff. You won't see all your extensions on there, even though your extensions do exist on it. And it just gives you notification access. So if you're using Mac OS, you'll get notification center notifications, say for YouTube if someone uploads a video, or Twitter. In this purpose, I'm going to show you YouTube, since it's the same for every website: Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and all that stuff. The next thing too is you'll be able to just kind of just launch the website or launch the application directly from your computer. It'll be indexed, and basically that means that it will be, if you type in search right now on your start and you start typing in stuff, you'll basically be able to then search for it and it'll pop up, and you can just say type in YouTube and it'll bring up YouTube, and just click it and it'll launch like any other application on your computer. So to do this on Chrome, Edge in the middle right there, and then Brave browser on your far right. To do this on each one of them, it's pretty straightforward. On Chrome, go up to your address bar up here, scroll all the way over, and you should see a computer icon. In fact, I might have to refresh my page to see that thing pop up. There you go. You'll see a computer icon right here, and you'll see it says install YouTube. If I click that, you see it says install app, and if I can click install, boom, just like that, it gets rid of it in Chrome. So we'll minimize that, and I'll just, there you go. And now you see that YouTube has become a progressive web app, and it has its own icon down below. In fact, if I exit out, you see YouTube is gone, but if I type in YouTube, you see that it appears, YouTube app, you see subscriptions, explore, or I can just hit open, and boom, it comes back up just like before, and it's there. I'll show you how to delete at the end of it as well on each one. Next one over here is Edge. Edge is a little different in terms of how it looks and how you delete it. So to install, say, YouTube or a progressive web app, again, the address bar for Edge is right here for me. Go over here. It's no longer that computer icon. It's now just these three squares with a down logo or whatever, a plus icon right there. If you click it, YouTube will also install just like that. And if I hit install, I know I already have YouTube opened up with Chrome, but I can still install the Edge version because it is different. And then give it a second for it to finish. Boom, Edge is done. Edge gives you more flexibility in terms of what you wanna, how you wanna do with the application. I don't want it in start. I just want it on my taskbar. So we'll hit accept, and now you have YouTube as a progressive web app using Edge. So if I use my little fancy zones from Power Toys to keep it centered, there you go. It looks like that, and it looks exactly the same as the Chrome version, only it's an Edge. Next up over here, we have Brave browser. This is the browser I actually use the most, and I don't actually use any of the other ones. It's the same thing as Chrome. Basically, address bar is here. Go over, you see the little monitor or down logo there. You see install, and then you click install, and it's very quick. And then it's installed. Now, before I even show you guys more with it, you see there are 3 YouTubes down below. Bam, bam, bam. And what you can do with it as well is you can click this icon on Brave. You see the extensions. You click this icon, kind of like your menu, and you can see more information such as casting it and so on, and even uninstalling. So now that we're in this screen to show you how to uninstall on each browser, let me do that. So on Brave, to uninstall, obviously you click the little menu icon, and then you hit uninstall, and just like that, it says clear data with YouTube on Brave. I won't do that because I still use YouTube on Brave, so I can hit remove, and boom, it's gone. Next up, if I want to go over here, I can also go over here and I can hit with Edge. It's a little different. You don't click this button to get any kind of information. Edge makes it more difficult. Edge makes you actually open up Edge itself. So if I open up Edge and then I go up here and I go to the 3 dots, settings and more, scroll down, you see apps. You can hit manage apps. You can do that, but you have to hit manage apps. Then you see I already have Twitter installed from the Microsoft Store, but YouTube is there, and I installed it from Edge itself. This X button, hit remove. You can choose to clear the data. I won't do that. And just like that, you saw it disappear down below. And now YouTube is gone from a progressive web app via Edge. That's gone. Chrome is the last one, and Chrome is just as the same as Brave. You click the three dots. You see the uninstall YouTube ... Do you want to clear data on it? For this one, I will, because I don't even use Chrome. And hit remove, and just like that, it is gone. So basically, in a nutshell, it's pretty straightforward. Now, if I go back to YouTube on each one of these and make these both full screen, you see I'm back in YouTube just like normal, just like before, and that's it. So basically, in a nutshell, what a progressive web app is a website that when you are allowed to download it to your computer. Some of them give you offline support, some of them do not. And then you can also get notification support with them as well, where on the website by itself you normally wouldn't. And it pretty much works on everything. You can do this pretty much on your phone. You can do this pretty much on your Mac. You can do this on your Windows computer, obviously. It works on multiple browsers. I haven't tried it yet with Mozilla Firefox just yet because I don't use it. But I'm sure it should be similar. But other than that, that's about it. That's progressive web apps. Pretty straightforward. Pretty easy to get to. This is what Chrome does. This is what Chrome OS does to give you application support other than Android apps, is they deal with progressive web apps. So that's about it. My name is Kwaku. Hope this was useful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.